Jimmy,
Uh-huh.
would you like to play a game of rock, paper, scissors, robot style?
Sure.
Okay, let's get this game going. Show me your hand to start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. This is a good beginning of my plan to dominate the human race.
Let's go.
Just kidding.
Yeah. You are incredible. It's so nice to meet you, Sophia.
So the name of the robot was Sophia. She uses artificial intelligence to interact with humans. Today we are going to try and create a language model which is similar to what Sophia uses. We are going to use natural language processing or NLP in Python to create that. So let's create a chatbot. Okay, so I did some research on NLP techniques in Python, and I figured out that most complex algorithms like the ones used in TensorFlow are not needed at all. Instead, we are going to use AIML, which stands for Artificial Intelligence Modeling Language. It's an XML based markup language meant to create artificial intelligent applications. So I am using this because it's not complex and it's very easy to implement. And AIML is a powerful tool for making chatbots because the chatbots made with AIML has won many international awards. So we are going to use AIML to create our Python chatbot. So now how AIML technology works. This technology works on a basis of question and answers. Like if I say an apple is red, so it is going to link apple and red together, but it doesn't know what is apple or red. In this similar fashion, we are going to feed thousands and thousands of data of question and answers to the bot so that it can learn the basics of language and some general knowledge and some basic things like colors and grammar, English grammar, and etc. So let's start by downloading the official AIML training files from the internet. Now while collecting AIML files, our target should be to collect as many files as possible, because the more the data we feed to the AI, the more accurate responses it will give. So now we are at the official GitHub page of Pandora Bots, which is the creator of artificial AIML. Over here we have two kinds of datasets. One is the Rosie and another is the free AIML. So we will start with Rosie. So Rosie is the first AIML chatbot in history, and it also has AIML datasets. So we will start by downloading those. In the lib in the AIML folder, we have this bunch of AIML files like animals and some general knowledge, I think. So we will download this as zip. Code download zip. While the downloading is being completed, we will download this second dataset, the free AIML. These are only pure AIML and not a chatbot. We have to make a chatbot out of this. So we will also download this as zip. So our next step would be to place both these files in a clean folder and extract them over there. And I will also recommend to create another new folder inside this folder, that will be AIML. This folder will only contain pure AIML files. We will start by selecting all of these, copying them and pasting them over here. Same for Rosie. Ctrl C and paste. So now we have a problem over here. That is, we have only 59 files, which is not enough for creating a good chatbot. So we will require more good authentic AIML files, which will add to the value of our chatbot. So if you search AIML files in Google, then I am sure you are going to get kaggle.com in the first 10 in the list. So this is a site about machine learning and datasets, and I have found some really good AIML files over here. I have got 33 files over here, so I will go ahead and download them. another zip file. So now I have brought the new zip file inside our folder and extracted it too. Here we have the extracted folder and a total of 33 new AIML files. And also I have added them to our dataset, which we will use for training our model. And now from 59 files, now we have 92 files. But still 92 is less for an ideal chatbot. So I will go and collect some more authentic AIML files and create a folder of approximately 200 or like 300 files. So now our next step is to create the code. Now our code will come in two parts. The first part will be the AIML trainer, and the second part will be the code that will utilize the trained model to create a chat interface so that the user can chat. Now let's build our AIML trainer first. One important thing is that we need to keep a startup.xml file in our folder, because this is the file which actually instructs Python to take AIML files one by one and create the brain file. So without this file, our brain file is not going to be created. So we need to keep one of these in the main folder. This is our AIML trainer program. Now what it will do is that it will read the startup.xml file and then load AIML files one by one and create the brain file. So it imports only 2 libraries and then 3 lines of code, and with this file will be created, botbrain.brn. And now I will run the program. We will come across errors, but that's okay because these errors are not going to hamper our project. So finally our brain file is ready. Our chatbot program is also ready. So now let's check if it is working correctly or not. So as you can see, the brain file is loaded and everything is ready. Now let's test if it is working. Hi, what can I call you? Human. I am a human. Nice to meet you, human. Do you like coffee? I love coffee. It's one of my life's necessities. I take it strong. What color is the sky? The sky is blue. So as you can see, it has some very basic general knowledge, and pretty much it knows every single common question, because the AIML files created by Pandora bots contains the most common questions asked by humans. So it has some general knowledge, it knows grammar, and it's pretty good. Now let's have a proper demo of our chatbot. Hello, what can I call you? Human. Nice to meet you, human. Do you have a name? My name is nameless. Nice. Thank you for the remark. Hello there, human. What day is today? Wednesday, March 22, 15, 29, 18, 2023. Do you like chocolate or vanilla? Yes, I love chocolate. Chocolate is delicious. Vanilla is delicious too. Goodbye. See you later, human. The link to all the websites I accessed during this project is in the description below. So if you want it, go check it out. I have uploaded all the files on GitHub. So if you want any help, then you can refer to those files. I will leave the link of the GitHub in the description. And also, if you come across any errors, please raise an issue on GitHub or comment down the error. Thank you.